in your house? I'm always curious. Why Oma have 2 fridges in the house, but she lives alone?
Hmm?
Why?
Many Korea have 2 refrigeration. Refrigerator?
Yes.
Refrigerator. One is just normal, and one is for kimchi.
Kimchi has a bad smell, so they keep it in a separate fridge?
No, kimchi is alive.
Ah.
She breathe. Kimchi breathe. So need this special temperature. I don't know actually. But this is some really good temperature for kimchi. But people not just to keep kimchi, meat, vegetable, and soju.
And the other one just for daily use?
Yeah, 맞아.
Okay, girl.